How's it going, guys? It's me again. This time I'm not gonna swear. Finally, a no swearing video? Nice. But this one's gonna be short and sweet. It's called Plans for My Car. Here's the thing I'm gonna do to it. I'm putting a dual exhaust on my car. Gonna get some performance headers. And cherry bomb exhaust tips. Woo, boy! My Saturn might sound like a frickin' hot rod now. You might think my Saturn was a hot rod now. Wait until you see it with the upgraded exhaust. God, it's gonna be loud. Especially a red line. So yeah, red line's gonna be fun. Gonna be freaking fun. Yeah. Imagine hitting the red line in that. That was fun. Yeah, it is. But I'm also going to restore the bodywork. Maybe do a turbo build on it. I love turbos. Hashtag I love turbos. But what I'm really aiming for with this stimulus check is I'm actually going to save it and buy my truck. Toyota life, anyone? You know I want that. So yeah, be prepared, because I'm coming home with a Toyota on one of these days. Because Toyota's nice. Alright. Yeah. So, anyways, that's my plans for my car and possibly new truck. It's gonna be an 70s or 80s Toyota. Because, why? Carburetors. Gotta love carburetors. Yeah. But what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna find me an old carbureted motor, Toyota, and I'm actually gonna do a fuel injection in conversion on it. So, yeah, that's what I'm aiming for on this one. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end it off here. Okay? Bye.